Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to log into your TaxJar account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and bring up the search bar and type in TaxJar login and hit the search. Make sure it will take you to the official link www.taxjar.com. Just click on that link. Again, you'll be taken to the official website of TaxJar. Now at the top right of your screen, you can see the login button. Just click on that login button. Now again you'll be taken to the new interface, which is the login page of TaxJar. Now guys, over here you just need to enter your email address. Similarly, enter your password over here. And once you click on login to TaxJar, you'll be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on forgot password, then you'll be easily recover your password. In case if you don't have any account of TaxJar, just click on create account. Then you'll be easily create a new account. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below for more content like this. And remember to turn on the notification so you never miss the upload. See you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.